y'all, it's me, Sister Girl Tuesday, back at it again with another video. And this week's video, I'm really excited to share with you because it is poppin'. I am gonna show you how to make a vegan ranch. And it started off as vegan ranch, but it's more like vegan ranch with a little kick to it. It's a really good salad dressing, dip, whatever you want to use it for. And I love making vegan recipes because, you know, like we say here on Sister Girl Tuesday, everybody eats when it's vegan. So this right here, y'all, I just had to put a new pile of carrots here because I have been tearing up this dip, okay? Salad dressing, whatever it is. And I really want you to know how to make it. So keep watching this video, but you already know, before you go, you gotta like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all next time.
First thing you're gonna do is take 3/4 cup of some vegan mayonnaise and put it into your blender. And then you'll follow that with a milk alternative. I'm using unsweetened almond milk. And then I've got a little apple cider vinegar going in there, some lemon juice, got some garlic, a little bit of onion powder, some salt, some black pepper, some chili powder. And then I'm gonna screw the lid onto my blender and go ahead and blend. The idea here is to get a smooth and even consistency. So for that traditional ranch flavor, we're gonna add some dill and some parsley. Give it another blend. All right, this is what you should have. And I'm just gonna put mine into the refrigerator to chill because dressing is best served cold. And then I am gonna pair it with some carrots like you see here, and y'all, it's popping.